Today's lesson is called Yangtze River. We're going to stay with our river theme and go with the flow. All right, so how are we feeling today? Let's start off. Show me how you're doing. Are you down in the dumps? Not sure? Or if you're feeling good today? All right, let me see. All right, thank you. I'm feeling great today. Thank you very much. The Yangtze River is the river that only stays in the country of China. It starts near the Tibet border and flows east and comes out into the East China Sea, which is near Shanghai. Right, it flows east and it separates the north and south of China. All right, we're going to continue with our lesson today. I'm going to talk about physical activity. Now, part one, let me backtrack. Part one here of this video, I'm going to do most of the talking. Part two is the stretching and the exercise. But please watch both videos. The answer to your Google form question is in this video. All right, so I'm going to continue with physical activity. Physical activity is very important. It helps our heart and lungs work better. Okay, we want our heart and lungs to work better. It makes our bones and muscles stronger. I want to get stronger. It's going to put me in a better mood, right? When I do my exercise, if for some reason I become in a better mood, I'm doing something that's helping my body get healthier. Doing the activities gives me energy. Right? It might be difficult, I might feel tired, but it gives me energy. It feels like, wow, I can do more things. Lastly, it's going to help you sleep better at night. When you do regular exercise and you do it every day, on a schedule, you'll be able to feel better and sleep better at night. So I'm going to keep continuing. I have my notes here in front of me. Physical activity, some of the thoughts and values that I get from it. It gives me confidence, physical activity. It gives me optimism. Right? Physical activity does these things for me. Of course, I can succeed in things. You can find something to succeed in. For example, I like juggling. I know I can do some juggling, and it makes me feel good. It gives me confidence because I'm able to do some juggling tricks. I feel optimistic because I feel like I can do more. There is always something, each and every one of you can find an activity that you can feel good in, that you can feel confident that you're getting better at, and it gives you optimism to do more. All of you can find something. It might not be today, it might not be next week, but there'll be something out there that you'll be able to find. Don't compare yourself to others, though. It's for yourself. It's for you to feel good. If I compare myself to other jugglers, I'll say, why am I even trying? Because there's so many better jugglers than I am. But I do it for enjoyment. I do it for myself. Where each and every one of you are your own special person, and you have your own special goals, and it's going to make you feel better. So find something you enjoy. Don't compare yourself to others. Feel good about yourself, because you can do something, and you can do it well. I'm going to continue. The winter months are coming. So we're going to have to change the way we do our exercises. We might not be able to do exercises outside if you have that opportunity. You might be colder. You might have to make some changes. So you might need to think about how you're going to stay active in the winter months, the colder months. It seems like we'll have to stay inside again a little bit more. Hopefully the pandemic will change a little bit and we'll get better. We'll see. Only time will tell. But you can still be active indoors. You might have to change a couple things. I will try to give you activities that you can do inside your homes this winter. All right, we're going to go on. And so for the rest of the activities, your assignments this week, please look at the part one, this video, and part two, the other video. You're going to do the Yangtze River task card. I gave you instructions on the task card and the task card. On the task card, we have the exercises. You can click those exercises to see the video, to see how I do those exercises. There's a rubric video. Look at that video. I give you a rubric checklist for 2 exercises. Try to do those 2 exercises. See how well you do. Give yourself a score. Get used to doing that. Make sure you're doing those exercises correctly. The November Fun Family Calendar will be up as well. We're going to miss November 1st because that's Sunday, and I didn't put it out in time, but it will be there on Monday. We're starting November 2nd. Lastly, please think of something you learned in my conversation today with you. There maybe is a little something that you think, wow, I've never heard that before. Or, Mr. Boccia, thank you for reminding me that I'm special. All right, please, this was part 1, excuse me. Watch this. Answer the questions to the Google form because I just gave them to you in this video. Part 2 are the exercises. And have a great week. Bye-bye.